Yeah, so maybe if we look at this question and we say, so how do you achieve this supply chain visibility? How do we make this sustainability information accessible to a consumer, the end consumer? If you look at that, and you look at what SAP has done, for example, across other industries, if you look at the pharmaceutical industry, there's not so much from a sustainability point of view, but definitely from you could say authenticity and source authentication point of view. We have solutions like the advanced track and trace for pharmaceuticals, and that proves to the consumer who buys this product that based on barcodes that it is produced by the pharmaceutical organization that it says so. It's not a counterfeit drug. And then also on the agricultural side, they're quite advanced in the whole sustainability tracking world already. For example, if you think about organic products or sustainably grown products. Palm oil, for example, is a really good example where SAP's help build solutions that helps track that from the producer, from the growers, all the way through until it ends up in your cosmetic products. So those are two industries that are quite advanced, and they use quite different technologies. For example, on the pharmaceutical side of things, it's material traceability. And on the palm oil side and on the agricultural side, a lot of those are done also with blockchains. And that gets us into a really interesting area then, the whole traceability side of things. And the applications of that, that's a huge area that I think we'll probably see a lot more of in future as well.
That sounds super exciting. Can you maybe tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, so if you think about the way that for example, let's talk about something like plastics. Like plastics is a huge problem, right? So, and if you are producing something that is made out of plastic and you want to claim that, you've only used recycled plastics or, products all made from 100% or 90% recycled materials, that gets you into the topic of circular economy and, that the reuse aspects of it. So that gets really fascinating. When you look at plastic recycling, a lot of it is there are formal recycling facilities, but a lot of it, especially in Southeast Asia, for example, a lot of it's informal and from informal sources. So how do you make sure that those recycled items are contributing to the whole? So SAP works with our partners in this space as well.
That's really fascinating. I just love to see how innovative technologies such as blockchain really support the industries that are, suffering from really strict regulations, and also, customers that are really in tune with their needs and demand them. So, like the pharmaceutical industry that you mentioned, and also the food industry.